Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rifka Damira binti Muhammad Azami. So for my turn, I will explain about the interaction hypothesis theory. So actually, based on my reading, my understanding, and also my observation on the definitions of the interaction hypothesis, there are many styles of writing. The directors out there have written in many styles of the definition of the interaction hypothesis. So I will give two examples of the definition that I found from Kimi and Salahi from the Journal of Interaction Hypothesis, a comprehensive theory of second language acquisition, International Journal for Teachers of English. So they state the definition of interaction hypothesis introduced by Long, which is the Michael Long, accepts the rule of nurture in second language acquisition, claiming that the negotiation of meaning through interaction can facilitate the process of language learning. And another definition by Michael Long, 1981, he said that interaction hypothesis is an idea that a face-to-face oral interaction and communication could boost the proficient skill of language for the sake of helping learners to maximize acquisition of input for second language learning. So actually, those definitions and there's some more definitions bringing about the similar meaning of the interaction hypothesis, which is interaction hypothesis is all about the interaction between the learners and others, and it is the focus of the observation and the explanation. So based on the video that our group has chosen, actually the activity that have taken place during the teaching and learning process, actually they are carrying out the accountable talk activity. So this activity involved the students in the class to interact with their peers for a discussion on sharing ideas and learn to get along with others in a group. So actually, when a discussion when there is a discussion, definitely a negotiation will happen during the discussion. So that will make communication and communicative learning activities occur. Normally, in the negotiation, there will be three things that will happen along the process, which are clarification requests, comprehension checks, and also confirmation checks. Actually, these three things are about the same idea, which is which it is about to clarify the idea for the benefit of both parties, because the negotiation has taken place in a discussion. So for example, let's say this party or this friend are throwing out or voicing out his or her opinion, and then the other friend, the member of the discussion, will asking pardon me, can you repeat it again, or what do you mean by that? And so they're gonna explain and discuss for because they want to achieve the understanding for both parties. And during this conversational discussion, the things like elaboration, slower speech rate, gesture, additional contextual cues, comprehension checks, clarification requests, and self-repetition or paraphrase are always involved in this process. And actually, these things it can really help in the development and comprehension for the language learner. Now, I personally think that based on our video that we have chosen, I think it's clearly proven that the teaching and learning process really applied the interaction hypothesis theory. As we can see, the students really have the discussion among themselves, have the interaction, and also the negotiation things. So it's really open the opportunity for language development. And last but not least, I conclude that actually interaction hypothesis definitely is just a whole idea about the how the learners actually interact among themselves to give improvement in the language learning. So that's all. Thank you.